Whenever I meet new developers, they almost always ask me the same question. Should I focus on DSA, development, or DevOps? So let me share my experiences and observations. I've been in tech for nearly 2 years now. I've managed College Fest, OSS, Apogee, organized hackathons, and open source initiatives to build a strong tech culture. Done internships, worked on college projects, personal projects, built SaaS tool, and even got into GSOC. And the journey is still going on. Here's my short answer. All the three are important, but the priority depends on your goals. If you're aiming for companies, DSA is the most important skill. Almost all of my friends who got into these companies, be it DSA, Flipkart, Google, had to go through the OA rounds where DSA is the sole criteria. I even asked them personally and they said they were grilled heavily on DSA before moving into development questions. And honestly, DSA is not just interviews. It's actually helpful in real world also. For example, in one of our open source projects, we had to filter bad words in the chat messages and replace them with asterisks. Instead of looping through every message for every bad word, we used a try data structure for efficient filtering. The more you explore, the more real life use cases you will discover, which is why I'm also working on my DSA skills right now. And if you want to work in startups, development skills are critical. I know people who got 20 to 30 LPA offers from startups purely based on their development and core CS skills concepts. But here's the flip side, especially in Indian startups, many of them demand 15 to 16 work hours and don't even have a proper team structure and can lead to poor work-life balances. Some of those friends are now focusing back on DSA so they can be switched to better companies with better culture. DevOps can significantly boost your salary if you combine with your development knowledge. The Kubernetes plus CNCF ecosystem is huge, and there are a ton of opportunities to monetize your skills here. And there are many fields you can explore: AI, blockchain, cybersecurity, and eventually you can niche down into any one of them. But the fundamentals remain the same. In fact, I'm creating a course where if you will follow it end to end, you will have a strong enough foundation to pick any field and specialize later. You were listening to Mad Me Codes. If you still have questions, drop them in the comments. I will cover them in upcoming videos. The video was meant to give you a rough idea and a kickstart. Thank you for your valuable time and stay tuned for more tech insights.